So not much video to show the last couple of days, but I spent all day trying to smooth all this out, get the door, but it's protruding too much, so I've got to work on that. So all these little rings is where I got little bumps and holes and things I got to fix, make it all nice and smooth like that. I took the bumper off and smoothed it all out. Well, I've been doing these panels around the car, the side panels and the back panel. There's been a young lady rowing from California to Hawaii. Should be there before I'm done with this. And this goes on forever. I've got some filler in here and some lead, but the filler didn't go off, so I got to take it all back out again. I've got most of the gaps sorted out, they're not too bad. Get the pumper back on, back in the right place. This I'm still playing with a bit, it's closer. About as close as I'm going to get it, I think. So yeah, good day on the crazy car. I did put a lot of lead in here, and then I had a real thin like filler just to fill up little gaps. And some red putty. So if you put a magnet on there, which I have a magnet here somewhere. So it's all some magnets, all steel in there, there's no... And there's a little lead on the corner here, like right there, some lead. Other than that, steel in here, a little lead right there on this corner, but then steel. So that's kind of got a lot of lead in it on that corner there. Well, clean up a bit of the V12 engine, get a quick coat of paint. Yeah, a lot of work for something you're never going to see hardly, but hey. Just a round edge like that. Right, so I do have the key figured out, the lock mechanism sorted out, the catch, the latch. Right, this going back up in there. Going to track jack up, try and roll it on the jack and balance it while it's going up in the air. See how I go with this by myself. Right, this going back up in there. Gonna have to jack up, try and roll it on the jack and balance it while it's going up in the air. See how I go with this by myself. Good morning. Actually it's day 8 I think, something like that. So got the axle in last night. Of course my camera decided to die in the middle of it all. I had some pretty cool footage of it falling off the jack and jamming itself against the bodywork and all the fun things that happen when you're by yourself trying to do something like this. But it's in. All I got to do is some of the bolts up in there. There's 4 of them. There's 4 on the other side. The paddle down there I'll connect that when I got new bushing. Drive shaft, brake lines. Probably won't bleed the brakes, so I'm going to leave them until I'm ready to get the car running, so there's no pressure.